Spaghetti. Aglio e olio, a classic Italian dish, is incredibly simple to make. Originating from Naples, this dish has become a staple in Italian cuisine, loved for its simplicity and rich flavors. The name itself translates to spaghetti with garlic and oil, which perfectly captures the essence of this delightful meal. This dish is about pure flavors. The key to making spaghetti aglio e olio lies in using the freshest and highest quality ingredients you can find. Fresh garlic cloves, aromatic chili flakes, and extra virgin olive oil are the stars of this dish. It highlights good quality olive oil, garlic, and chili flakes. The olive oil should be rich and fruity, the garlic fresh and pungent, and the chili flakes should add just the right amount of heat to balance the flavors. With just a few ingredients, you can create a delicious and satisfying meal. The process starts with cooking the spaghetti until it's al dente, which means it should be firm to the bite. While the pasta is cooking, you can prepare the sauce by gently sautéing the garlic and chili flakes in olive oil until the garlic is golden and fragrant. Spaghetti. Aglio e olio is a testament to the beauty of simplicity in cooking. Once the pasta is ready, it's tossed in the garlic and chili-infused oil, allowing the flavors to melt together beautifully. The result is a dish that is both elegant and comforting, perfect for any occasion. It's a dish that's perfect for a weeknight dinner or a casual gathering with friends. The simplicity of spaghetti, aglio e olio, makes it a versatile dish that can be enjoyed by everyone. Whether you're cooking for yourself or hosting a dinner party, this dish is sure to impress. Let's get started. Before you begin, gather these essential ingredients: spaghetti, extra virgin olive oil, garlic cloves, red pepper flakes, salt, black pepper, and fresh parsley. It's important to use good quality olive oil for the best flavor. You will also need a large pot, a colander, and a large skillet or pan. Once you have everything ready, you can start cooking. Fill the large pot with water. Make sure to use a pot that is large enough to allow the pasta to move freely as it cooks. This helps to prevent the pasta from sticking together and ensures even cooking. Place the pot on the stove and bring the water to a rolling boil. This is crucial because adding pasta to water that isn't boiling can result in uneven cooking. Add a generous amount of salt to the boiling water. The salt not only seasons the pasta but also enhances its natural flavor. A good rule of thumb is to use about 1 to 2 tablespoons of salt per gallon of water. Add the spaghetti to the boiling water. Gently stir the pasta to prevent it from clumping together. Follow the package directions for cooking time, but start checking the pasta a minute or two before the recommended time to ensure it doesn't overcook. It's important to cook the pasta al dente, which means to the tooth in Italian. This means the pasta should be tender but still have a slight firmness when you bite into it. To test for doneness, take a piece of pasta and bite into it. It should be cooked through but still firm to the bite. If it's too soft, it means the pasta is overcooked. If it's too hard, it needs more time. Once the pasta is cooked to your liking, drain it in a colander. Be sure to reserve a cup of the pasta water before draining, as it can be used to adjust the consistency of your sauce. After draining, set the pasta aside and prepare your favorite sauce to complete the dish. Enjoy your perfectly cooked al dente pasta. Section 4. Creating the aromatic aglio e olio sauce. While the pasta is cooking, you can start making the sauce. Heat the olive oil in the skillet over medium heat. Add the garlic cloves to the hot oil. Cook the garlic until it becomes fragrant and lightly golden. Do not let the garlic burn. Burning the garlic will make the sauce bitter. Section 5. Combining pasta and sauce. A harmonious blend. In this section, we will explore the art of marrying pasta with its sauce to create a dish that is not only delicious, but also visually appealing. The key to a perfect pasta dish lies in the balance of flavors and textures, and today, we will show you how to achieve that harmony. Once the garlic is fragrant, add the red pepper flakes to the skillet. The aroma of the garlic will fill your kitchen, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. The red pepper flakes will add a touch of heat, enhancing the overall flavor profile of the dish. Toast the red pepper flakes for a few seconds to release their flavor. This step is crucial as it allows the natural oils in the pepper flakes to infuse into the garlic, creating a rich and aromatic base for your sauce. Be careful not to burn the garlic, as it can turn bitter and affect the taste of your dish. Add the cooked pasta to the skillet with the garlic and oil. Make sure the pasta is cooked al dente, which means it should be firm to the bite. This texture will allow the pasta to absorb the flavors of the sauce without becoming mushy. Toss the pasta with the sauce until it is evenly coated. This step ensures that every strand of pasta is infused with the flavors of the garlic and red pepper flakes. Use a pair of tongs to gently toss the pasta, making sure not to break the strands. The pasta water will help to create a light sauce. The starchy water from the pasta acts as a natural thickener, binding the sauce to the pasta and giving it a silky texture. This is a simple yet effective technique that elevates the dish to a whole new level. Add a few spoonfuls of pasta water if needed. This will help to loosen the sauce and ensure that it coats the pasta evenly. Remember, the goal is to achieve a harmonious blend of flavors and textures, creating a dish that is both satisfying and delightful to the palate. Enjoy your perfectly combined pasta and sauce. Section 6. Seasoning and garnishing. The final flourishes. Taste the pasta and add salt and black pepper to your liking. Garnish the pasta with freshly chopped parsley for a touch of freshness. Serve the pasta immediately. You can add a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese for extra flavor. Enjoy your delicious and easy spaghetti aglio olio. Section 7. Tips for success and delicious variations. Don't overcook the garlic, as it will make the sauce bitter. Use good quality olive oil for the best flavor. Add a pinch of red pepper flakes for extra heat. You can also add other ingredients to your spaghetti aglio e olio. Try adding shrimp, cherry tomatoes, or spinach. Enjoy experimenting with different flavors.